Eurostar Booking Platform Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Eurostar, a popular train booking platform for travel between the UK, France, Belgium, and the Netherlands. If you're interested in booking tickets or exploring options, links to the platform are in the description below. Eurostar is designed for travelers seeking fast, comfortable, and efficient rail travel across Europe. The platform specializes in high-speed trains connecting major cities, including London, Paris, Brussels, and Amsterdam, with a focus on providing an eco-friendly alternative to air travel. Whether you're planning a city break or a longer European adventure, Eurostar offers a convenient and stress-free way to get from one city to another. The booking process on Eurostar is simple and straightforward. After selecting your departure and arrival cities, the platform provides an intuitive interface that allows you to filter results by time, price, and class. Eurostar offers 3 travel classes: Standard, Standard Premier, and Business Premier, each offering varying levels of comfort, service, and amenities. Standard Premier and Business Premier classes come with added benefits like more spacious seating, meals, and access to exclusive lounges. Eurostar's tickets are competitively priced, with options for flexible tickets and advanced booking discounts. The platform also offers easy access to e-tickets, meaning no need to worry about printing physical tickets or standing in line. You can simply scan your e-ticket directly from your phone for a smooth and quick boarding process. Another major plus of Eurostar is the onboard experience. Trains are equipped with free Wi-Fi, comfortable seating, and power outlets, making it ideal for both work and relaxation during the journey. Additionally, the Eurostar app provides a convenient way to check your train times, manage bookings, and track your train's status, ensuring you stay updated throughout your trip. If you're traveling through Europe and looking for a reliable and sustainable transportation option, Eurostar is a top choice. Check out the links in the description for more details and to book your next journey.